So next on the agenda is to put chlorine tabs into the automatic chlorinator. Kind of give it a second for all the bubbles and everything to work itself out. And you got to grab this and untwist it, just like a soda bottle cap. Really easy, except for whatever reason it stays on there very tightly. There is actually a tool they make that fits over these knurls here and acts like a wrench. I don't have it. You can do it by hand, so that actually wasn't even that tight, so that's not bad at all. We'll just unscrew that. And I have chlorine tabs. Now the water in there is bubbling up. You can't probably see it at the moment, but that's going to settle down in a moment. And I'm going to wait for it to do that. Okay, that seems to be alright. So now we're going to go ahead and put in the chlorine tabs. I put in 6 and leave the feeder at maximum. Be careful of the splashes because they may contain chlorine and can bleach out anything that you're wearing and hurt your skin and all kinds of great stuff. So wear gloves and a respirator and safety glasses and all that crazy stuff that you don't need just to put chlorine into your pool. So we'll put in the 6 tabs. Now we'll take the cover and put that back on. Right there is fine. And turn the pump back on. And there we go. Check for leaks once we get up the pressure. Looks good. Looks like we did it. So that's in there. This isn't leaking for now, so thank goodness for that. And we'll let that chooch for a little bit. And in the next part, we're going to add shock to the pool. So stay tuned for that.